Go on, Mr. Chipmunk. Get what you can before winter. Make room for the birds, too. Titmouse wants some. Let him in. There he goes. Chickadees just don't care. They come right next to him and grab some. Oh yeah, his face is packed. He is stacked. He's going to be turning around any second now. There he goes. Oop. He's gone. He's gone. All the way back to the rock wall. And quite a distance down the rock wall he goes too. So, fun fact about chipmunks is they have to store enough food for the winter or they don't make it. And the mortality rate is about either 40% live or 60% live. I forget what it is, but either one or the other. But I guess that has to happen, otherwise there'd be a million chipmunks. But this guy's going to live because he's carried at least a 30-pound bag of birdseed back to his house this spring, summer, fall. He's stacked over there. He's probably got a $30 bag in his burrow. So no shortage of chipmunks around here. All right, who's next? Oh, he's back. Don't make a mess of the seeds. All the chicken's going to clean up the rest that falls on the ground. I'll wait for the chipmunk to come back. All right, Chip is back. Takes him about 3 minutes round trip to go and bring a mouthful to the den and then come back. He doesn't have a short distance either. I see him. He goes to the rock wall and he runs along it for a while. He'll carry that whole mess there. The birds are lucky to get as much as they get because his mission is to bring every bit of that back to his house. All right, let's time him. He just left. All right, he left at 2:52 p.m. and it's now 2:54, so he's pretty quick round trip. He's not wasting time. We haven't been here in like 3 weeks, so maybe he's been hitting his reserves and he feels like he's got to double time it. It's been pretty cold, but not that much.